I heard a big boom. It sounded like a bomb went off. And at first I looked around and I didn't see anything, and then I could see the fire through the window, so I called the police up.
Yeah, no, we're good. At this point, we haven't been able to go through the rubble completely yet. We believe it to be empty based on the fact that for sale signs in the front yard. At this point, we're also still currently waiting for Ameren to be able to get down and shut the gas line off before we can start our investigation. Our fire investigation unit, as well as Ameren, will do a thorough investigation and try to determine cause and origin.